I just had a super strong drink which had Feni in it, which my friends is very, very strong. I need something lighter, something easier. And I also have to now arrange for a litmus test for Goa, because we've seen how the traditional Goan cocktails have come forth. But what about international cocktails? If you're visiting and you want something nice, international, will you get it in Goa is what we will find out. And my friend Udit will help me with that. Udit, let's make something which is fun, international, and which gets away from Feni, because I can't have Feni anymore. It's very strong. So what can we make?
We'll be doing a cocktail named Spiced Pine.
Spiced Pine.
Yeah.
Alright.
This cocktail has a lot of alcohol and different things going into it.
Okay.
So we'll be using...
This cocktail has a lot of alcohol going into it. That is why it's a hit already. So tell me, how do we make it?
Okay. We'll be using rum in this.
Rum, alright.
Plain rum, any white rum.
Okay.
Then we'll be using a coconut flavored rum. We can do it at house. We can
Perfect. So let's just start laying out the spread and tell everybody what goes in. Tell me.
So we'll have the sugar syrup, that's with the chilies.
Sugar syrup with chilies. Okay.
Yeah.
This is a rare thing. You never put chilies in sugar syrup, do you? You do.
No. We do.
They do.
We
okay,
do.
let's try if at all it works. So this is sugar syrup and chili. Green chilies. Alright.
And this is white rum.
White rum be yum. White rum. Okay.
Then creme de menthe, any mint flavored liqueur you can use.
Any mint flavored
liqueur.
Alright. This is nice. Is it available easily in the market?
Very easily.
Perfect. You can get it then. Alright.
Sure. And this is the coconut flavored rum that is infused in-house.
You remember when I started the show, I mentioned that no cocktail in Goa is done without the usage of coconut. So even if you want to get away from it, coconut somehow will make an entry in the cocktail. So this is coconut infused rum.
Yeah.
Alright, perfect.
Then pineapple juice.
Pineapple juice is here. Alright.
Of course, some fresh pineapples.
Ooh, some fresh and sweet pineapple.
They are fresh.
Perfect.
Yeah. Mohit, you take the glass and we're going to add some pineapple chunks in there and going to muddle it now.
Alright,
Yeah.
so let's throw in some pineapple chunks in the glass. And what do you mean by some?
Some means around 20-25 pieces, not the entire bowl.
You want me to start counting like 20-25?
No, the rest-
right. So just say how much is some and then you learn. Okay. Is this some?
No, that's not some. Some
This
more.
is not some. Okay, some more. Is this some more enough?
That's good, yeah.
Perfect. Okay.
Now we're going to muddle them.
Now we're going to kill them.
Yeah.
So here's my muddler. And let's muddle. Very tender, fresh, so very easy to muddle. Isn't it always nice when you make your cocktails with fresh fruits?
Yeah, of
There's
course, it's
just a
nice,
different flavor to it. Canned fruits and canned juices are not so much fun. So as much as possible, try and get fresh fruits.
Yes. Okay. That's done enough.
Okay, this is smothered.
We're going to add some sugar chili syrup to it.
Let's add the sugar chili syrup, which I'm a little skeptical about.
Just
Again, it's very strong. Okay.
6 to
All of
7
it?
ml. No.
6 to 7 ml.
Yeah, it will be, that's it.
Okay.
That's good.
6 to 7 ml of sugar syrup with chili in it.
Then
Now comes the good part, rum.
rum.
Okay. All of this. This is how much?
This is 45 ml.
45 ml of rum goes in.
Yeah, entire thing goes in. And the mint liqueur.
Mint liqueur. And this is how much? Again.
This is around 20 ml.
20 ml.
We're going to pour it completely in this. Then the coconut flavor infused rum.
The coconut infused rum. This is again.
Coconut.
No, how much?
This is 30 ml.
30.
Yeah.
That is. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Now we'll add the pineapple juice
This
to
looks
it.
nice and very, very fruity. Okay. Pineapple.
Pineapple juice to it.
So basically, you just fill the glass up like almost.
It's like 150 ml of pineapple juice.
Okay. Perfect. This looks pretty fruity and nice.
Yes.
And now?
Now we're going to shake it in a shaker with some
Now
ice.
we're going to shake it with some ice. Okay.
Yeah.
This will go inside this. This is my most favorite part of this. Shake well. Now how do you know if it is done? Is when you see the frosting around, is when you know that the shaking has been well. Okay. Okay, perfect.
Perfect.
And now?
Now we're going to pour it in the glass.
Oh, look at these glasses. Finely garnished. Udit has done a wonderful job.
Thanks,
Okay.
God. Yeah.
You are welcome.
We're gonna pour it in it.
Okay,
We don't need to strain it because let the pineapple chunks and the things
You
come
also
inside.
bite into the chili, huh? Mind that.
Yeah, of course, that's sweet enough.
Are we ready to taste?
Yes, of course.
We are indeed ready to taste. Pick it up. And cheers, my friend.
Cheers.
Cheers. It's different. Oh, nice. I like how the spice hits you in the end, you know. Very fresh. Looks really good. But you know what I want to do is, let me hunt for some chilies because I really want to know how the chili feels when you would bite into it. Oh, I got it here. There's too many actually. Hang on.
You can bite all of them.
Yes, right, sir. All right. Chili will give you that slight tinge of the spice it has of chili. But there's just sugar in it and there are too many things to kill it. So perfect, nice drink. Really nice to sit by the pool, chillax and enjoy this drink. And what I want to know from you is how easy is it to get a Goan drunk?
You know, when the weather is like this, you'll never feel that they are drunk. The weather is so good, they'll be always in a good mood.
They're always in a good mood.
You can never make them drunk.
You can never make a Goan drunk is what I like, and that is the reason why post my retirement, Goa is where I will be found, people. Thank you so much for watching. If at all you have any feedbacks to give, please get in touch with us on Travel XP on Facebook. Travel XP is our handle on Twitter as well. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good time. Stay drunk, stay happy, drive safe.
Spiced Pine 45 ml white rum, 30 ml coconut flavored rum, sugar syrup with chilies, 20 ml mint flavored liquor, 150 ml pineapple juice and pineapple chunks. Put some pineapple chunks in a glass and muddle. Add 7 ml of sugar chili syrup, 45 ml of white rum, 20 ml of mint liquor, 30 ml of coconut flavored rum and 150 ml of pineapple juice. Add ice in a shaker and pour the drink. Shake it well and serve in a glass. Your spiced pine is now ready.